At the end of the last ice age, the world was getting warmer, but ice suddenly returned to northern Britain. In 10 minutes here on BBC Learning Zone, Rapid Climate Change investigates what happened and why. First, some more key words.
Catastrophism. It's a theory that some Earth scientists have had about how this planet has evolved. You see, they believe that changes in our long history can sometimes be caused by huge catastrophes. Take, for instance, the death of the dinosaurs. Some think that a giant meteorite collided with the Earth. It caused massive devastation and fires around the world, darkness for weeks or even months, killing almost everything around. Forget meteorites, though. What about volcanoes, huge earthquakes or tidal waves? All these natural things can cause huge disasters, so it seems reasonable that they also cause huge changes. They often change the appearance of the land, especially volcanoes, spewing out mountains of ash and lava over a huge area, or earthquakes causing terrific landslides and craters. If you believe all this, then you too are a catastrophist.
Waterfall. For all its beauty and energy, a waterfall is quite a simple thing, really. All that's needed to get one is a river which falls vertically, normally due to some particularly hard rock which forms a ledge over which the water falls. Water wears away or erodes softer rocks like limestone more quickly than harder rocks like basalt. When a river flowing over hard rocks encounters a band of soft rock, the softer rock is worn away and a waterfall develops. This is what is happening at the highest waterfall in England, Highforce, in County Durham. You can sometimes walk behind a waterfall because the erosion of the softer rock has formed a shallow cave. The extraordinary thing about waterfalls is that they're only temporary. If you consider the Earth as an old age pensioner, then Niagara Falls has only existed for the last 6 days.
Limestone. If you live in North Yorkshire or Derbyshire, your house could be made of dead animals. The blue-grey stone was formed hundreds of millions of years ago from the remains of dead sea animals, urchins, corals, bivalves. In the past, Britain was covered by sea and had a Caribbean climate. The corals lived in the warm, shallow waters, and as they died, they literally piled up on top of each other, eventually forming bands of rock. The rocks are typically hard and so ideal building material, but also decorative. Marble is a kind of limestone that's been heated by hot rocks deep in the earth. Chalk is also a kind of limestone, made of tiny microscopic creatures, dead now, of course. Imagine how many it has taken to make the chalk of the White Cliffs of Dover.